Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to Patched!
Welcome back.
Hatchet.
We got a lot of mice in front of us. What are we doing here?
So, these are all the mice that suck, don't get, no, just kidding. Alright,
No.
so we want to do a top 3 mice, you know, like just from our favorite all-time, not all-time, but just like what we like to use as of right now, what we've been playing. There's a lot of great mice out there, obviously. This is all preference, you know, what we like, what our play style, you know, and all that.
So we've reviewed a lot of mice on this channel already.
Yes.
So out of the ones that we've used, we've picked our top 3 individually, and we're gonna go through those right now. So
Yes.
number 3 on the list.
For you first, and then I'll go to me.
Sounds good. So number 3 on the list for me is gonna be the S2 Divina. That's gonna be my first pick. So number 3. All right, so the S2 Divina being my number 3 pick. I just love this. I feel like it's such a well balanced. It's like an oldie but a goodie, you know. It's got that glossy finish on it. It's got that blue. It's just everything about this mouse is just super quality. Feels good. Feels really really nice. But I find myself going back to this one. Really like it. So that's gonna be my number 3 pick. What do you think?
Mine is the FK2.
Oh yeah, that one's your
FK2.
baby.
This is my baby. I love this mouse so much. And it's an ambidextrous mouse, and you know, obviously you can use it for both left and right-handers. The only thing I hate about this is the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is pretty trash as far as like, it's not very tactile, and also there's a lot of resistance when you're trying to scroll. So definitely comparing to every single mouse on here, this has to be the worst one.
Yeah.
But other than that, the clicks are tactile. They're very clicky. I love it. The side buttons are easy to press as well.
And the shape is your favorite, right?
The shape is definitely my favorite. So it has a very low profile design, you know, where the arch is. But it's still so easy to either palm or just, you know, fingertip or claw. I love it. Feels awesome. Also, the finish is not bad. It does pick up a good amount of fingerprint marks though. But other than that, great solid mouse. It's available for like 60-70 bucks. So if you guys want to get any of these, we'll leave affiliate links in the description box. If you choose to use our links, it does help us out, so thank you for that. But let's move on to number 2.
For my number 2 pick, I'm gonna pick the Glorious Model O minus.
Ooh.
I mean, this thing's a beast. I love the shape of it. It's new. It's nice. It's got that nice paracord. The price is right. The price is right for it.
Yeah.
It just feels so good, man. This has made me love the fingertip grip again. But everything about this, I mean, for 50 bucks, it just screams quality. People were worried about like the build quality on this guy. It's solid. The honeycomb design, it doesn't bend at all. No durability issues to speak of. It's just all around. It's a really good mouse. The feet on this are good. The RGB is good. I have very few complaints about this mouse. I mean,
Yes.
honestly, if anything, it's just I would like some more tactile steps in the scroll wheel, but that's just nitpicky to be honest. So this is my number 2 pick, Model O minus.
Same with me. Same with me. And the only reason why it's not my number 1 is because of the side wobble in the clicks, and I feel it a lot, especially when I'm tracking. I don't know why. Even with the Model O minus, the Model O is a little worse, but I can still feel it on the minus. So that's the only reason why it's number 2, and I don't like to use it as much because I do feel it. I really do feel that. But like Lucas said, it's a great mouse shape, especially for fingertip grip.
Oh yeah.
And the buttons are real nice as well. So and the cord is very light.
Yeah.
It doesn't really snag on anything either. So numero uno.
Moving on to number 1. All right. So if you've been watching this channel for a while now, I mean,
Lucas's
man,
favorite.
get that. Get that.
What do you mean? You like this mouse?
So if you've been watching the channel for a while now, you already know my number 1 pick is going to be the G Pro Wireless. This is my baby. This is my baby. This is my daily driver. It has been my daily driver for about a year now, and I love this thing to death. The shape is perfect for me. I can palm it. I can fingertip grip it. It's still lightweight, and it just feels good all around.
Yes.
I love it.
Yes.
I love it.
I like it too. I like it too. But my favorite, my number 1 is the Final Mouse Ultralight 2. No complaints at all from this mouse. And you know, there's nothing I can complain about. Everything is so good on this. You know, the glides, the shape, the shape you need to get used to a little bit. It's very small. But it's great for my hand. I have a medium sized hand, so the length of my hand is 172 millimeters long, I believe. and it feels great. You know, the buttons also I really like, as well as the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is not, it's not the best, but it's not horrible. You know, you have this paracord, this orange paracord as well. So, and it also no, it's not the most expensive mouse on this on this table.
Yeah,
It's
my G
the
Pro Wireless,
man.
yeah.
Or the G900 or the G903, which I have the G903. Though that's $150 too. But
Yeah, I mean, you're the final mouse, the Ultralight 2, probably definitely an honorable mention for me.
Yes.
I love this one. If this just didn't make it on the list, probably number 4 in my list, just because it's a little bit too small for my hands. But I definitely get the hype.
hey
I would
man,
totally use
you
this.
gotta use the Infinity skins.
Infinity skins,
You know
man,
what
I'm
I'm
gonna throw
saying?
those right in the trash. Tell you what.
my honorable mention is the Endgame XM1, which
Oh,
is
yeah.
a surprise. I've been playing with that, and I really like playing with it. It's a great shape, awesome for fingertip grip, and you know the cord sucks, but you know like my FK2, I just use it on the mouse bungee,
Yeah,
and
that-
it just feels solid.
For sure, that XM1 definitely came out of nowhere too.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
just like the Endgame brand sort of came out of nowhere.
Yes.
And solid mouse, solid mouse for
Solid
sure.
mouse. So again, if you guys want to get any of these mice, we'll try to leave links below. But that's our top 3. What would your top 3 be? Down in the comment section below, like your most favorite mice or mouse of all time.
Yeah,
Tell us.
let us know. 'Cause
Yes.
My baby's the G Pro Wireless. I don't know what yours is. You know, what's your daily driver?
Yes.
You know? So, anyways, that wraps it up for this one. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.